Hey peeps, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new to the channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. In this video, I'll be giving you a complete rundown of how to install RAM and also update your XMP BIOS. Stay tuned. Before I go any further, let me give you some specs on this PC. This is a Skytech Blaze 2 gaming PC that came with a RTX Ryzen 5 2600 and Nvidia's GeForce GTX 1650 paired with 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, all assembled on an ASRock motherboard. I use this for light to occasionally heavy video editing, gaming, and this is also my live streaming rig. Based on the fact that I have this conception that once you're doing video editing on a PC, you should have at least the minimum of 16 gigs of RAM. I went ahead and got my additional 8 gigs of RAM. Let's get straight into installing and updating its XMP BIOS. Now this is where we get to have some fun. First, you'll want to open your PC case and expose the motherboard and the area for your memory. You'll also want to ensure that you have a anti-static wristband so you don't damage the components of your PC with static electricity. Then you're going to ensure that you locate the area for your memory on your motherboard. There is a slot on your memory that should line up with a slot that is on your motherboard. You should also ensure that that is properly lined up before you try to get it in so you don't damage your motherboard. If your PC is filled with dust like mine, now would also be a good time to get that done, to avoid having to come back at a later date to clean something that could have been done earlier. You should hear a click to ensure that it is snug and fit in. And that is a basic installation of your memory. Now that we have the RAM installed, we can move on to the next process, which is updating its XMP BIOS to ensure that it is properly optimized to run with this new memory. Let's close up and get straight into that. After you have closed up your PC, plugged it in and started your boot up process, this is where you will be greeted with a main screen where you will press F2 or delete to go into your main setup. This is where you will see your RAM. However, that's not what we're interested in right now. You have already installed. That's just confirmation. You'll click on OC Tweaker. After you've done that, you'll scroll down to Load XMP Settings and go across to Auto. Then you'll click Auto and select XMP2 Profile 1. That will optimize your PC to use both memory. Then you'll go down to your DRAM voltage, where I prefer to keep it on auto because I'm not attempting to overclock my RAM. Also bear in mind that not all motherboards are set up exactly the same, so your motherboard may have a totally different setting. After we've done all that, we can go up to Exit, Save Changes, and then Exit. The computer will reboot after that. If you were testing, who knows, maybe you would have even seen an increase in your reboot speed. Now that you have installed your RAM, updated your XMP setting, booted up your PC, now you want to check your RAM, right? That's easy. Just go down to the far left of your computer screen, click your start menu, go into settings and go into about, and there you will see everything about your PC, including your newly updated RAM. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notifications and destroy that like button. Thanks for watching. Top Farm out.